Welcome to Passive Rise. I am absolutely thrilled to have you join me for this in-depth tutorial on a truly fascinating and potentially lucrative niche, music production and licensing for commercial use. We will be exploring the entire process, from the initial stages of producing original, non-copyrighted music and soundscapes, all the way to successfully licensing those sonic creations to various creators and businesses for their projects. This journey requires dedication, an understanding of fundamental music theory, proper technical execution, and a solid grasp of intellectual property and licensing agreements. The very first and arguably most crucial step in this entire endeavor is the production of truly original, non-copyrighted music. This means every single element within your composition, the melody, the harmony, the rhythms, and all sound design elements must be created entirely by you or derived from sources that are unequivocally royalty-free and cleared for commercial use. It is absolutely essential to avoid sampling copyrighted material or using loops and presets from sources that do not grant you full commercial usage rights, as this could lead to serious legal complications down the road. To achieve a professional sound, you will need a reliable digital audio workstation, commonly referred to as a DAW, such as Ableton Live, Logic Pro X, or FL Studio. Becoming proficient in your chosen DAW is paramount. Spend substantial time learning its features, including recording, editing, mixing, and mastering functionalities. The quality of your final product directly reflects your proficiency and understanding of these technical tools. Focus your initial production efforts on creating versatile soundscapes and background music that lend themselves well to various commercial applications. Think about the needs of potential licensees. Video producers require music for vlogs, corporate videos, advertisements, and perhaps even short films. Genres that are generally effective include ambient, cinematic, corporate inspirational, and simple underscore-style tracks that do not distract from dialogue or on-screen action. The sound design and mixing process must be meticulously executed to ensure your tracks are commercially viable. A professional mix means balancing all the instruments and sonic elements, adjusting equalization to prevent clashing frequencies, and employing compression to control the dynamic range. The goal is to create a clean, polished, and full sound that translates well across different playback systems, such as headphones, car stereos, and television speakers. Following the mixing stage is mastering, the final polish applied to your track to prepare it for distribution and licensing. Mastering involves subtle adjustments to overall volume, stereo width, and final equalization. The industry standard for loudness is an important consideration here, as tracks that are too quiet or excessively loud will be deemed unprofessional and unusable by serious commercial clients. Once your tracks are completed and professionally mastered, the next significant step is determining the appropriate licensing models you will offer. The most common types of licenses in this field are royalty-free licenses, which grant the licensee the right to use the music in perpetuity for a single, upfront fee, without needing to pay ongoing royalties for each use. A well-defined licensing agreement is the legal backbone of this business. This document must clearly state what the licensee is permitted to do with the music, for example, use in a single YouTube video, or unlimited use in multiple corporate advertisements, the duration of the license, and any specific limitations or restrictions on usage. It is highly recommended to consult with a legal professional specializing in intellectual property to draft these agreements. Consider offering different tiers of licenses based on the scope of use. For example, a basic license might cover use on social media and independent non-commercial projects, while a premium or extended license could cover national television advertisements, major motion pictures, or use by large international corporations. This tiered approach allows you to cater to a wider range of clients and budgets. Setting competitive and fair pricing for your licenses is essential for attracting clients. Research what other music libraries and independent producers charge for similar types of music and usage rights. Your pricing should reflect the quality of your production, the complexity of the usage rights granted, and your experience level within the industry. Do not undervalue your hard work and creative output. The most effective way to reach potential licensees is by distributing your music through established music licensing platforms and libraries. Popular options include sites like Premium Beat, Epidemic Sound, Artlist, and Audio Jungle. Each platform has its own submission guidelines, quality control standards, and revenue sharing models that you must carefully evaluate. In addition to using third-party libraries, you should also create and maintain your own professional website to showcase your portfolio. This personal platform gives you complete control over your branding, pricing, and licensing terms, and allows clients to license music directly from you, avoiding the commission fees charged by the major libraries. Your portfolio presentation on both third-party platforms and your own website must be impeccable. Use high-quality audio previews, clear and concise descriptions detailing the mood and instrumentation of each track, and relevant keywords to make your music easily discoverable by search functions. Think like a client trying to find the perfect music for their specific project. Marketing and outreach are ongoing and critical activities. Actively promote your work on social media, targeting video producers, content creators, and advertising agencies. Consider sending personalized email pitches to production houses that specialize in the type of content your music is best suited for, such as documentary films or mobile application development. Consistency in production is key to establishing a significant presence in the licensing marketplace. Regularly releasing high-quality, new tracks keeps your profile fresh and increases your overall catalog size, which in turn statistically increases your chances of securing licenses. Aim to produce a specific number of tracks per month, adhering to a realistic schedule. Organization of your master files is paramount for a smooth licensing operation. Keep meticulously organized folders containing the final mastered audio files in both high-resolution WAV and MP3 formats, along with all necessary metadata, stems if applicable, and clear records of which licenses have been granted for each track. This prevents logistical errors and ensures prompt delivery to clients. You must pay close attention to metadata tagging, which involves embedding information like the track title, artist name, genre, mood, instrumentation, and potential use cases directly into the audio file itself. Accurate and exhaustive metadata ensures that your music is correctly cataloged in libraries and searchable by clients using detailed criteria. Building genuine relationships with content creators and businesses can lead to repeat business and exclusive licensing opportunities. Offer excellent customer service, respond to inquiries promptly and professionally, and be willing to offer custom compositions or edits if a high-value client requests modifications to an existing piece of music. Understanding and adhering to copyright law is not just about avoiding infringement, but also about protecting your own work. Ensure that you register your compositions with the appropriate performance rights organizations, such as ASCAP or BMI, in your region. This allows you to potentially collect performance royalties if your music is played in public broadcasts or venues, even when using a royalty-free model for synchronization licenses. Continuous learning and adaptation are fundamental to long-term success in this dynamic industry. Stay updated on current musical trends, the evolving needs of content creators, and changes in music licensing laws and platforms. Experiment with new genres and production techniques to keep your sound fresh and relevant to the commercial market. This comprehensive approach, combining high-quality, original music production with strategic licensing, effective marketing, and diligent legal organization, will lay a strong foundation for your success in the world of commercial music licensing. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe this channel. Like the video if you found the video great. If you have any questions, leave me your comment through the comments section.